Good day everyone, my name is Luke Jeremiah Tambis and this is our reporting video about the inspection procedures for detecting damage and defects in cargo spaces, hatch covers, and ballast tanks during loading and unloading operations. Inspections during loading and unloading operations are essential to ensure the vessel remains safe, seaworthy, and structurally sound. These inspections help detect early signs of damage, corrosion, leaks, or mechanical failure. These are the key objectives for this topic. First, prevent cargo contamination or loss. Second, maintain watertight and integrity. Third, ensure safety of crew and vessel. And fourth is comply with maritime safety regulation. General inspection procedures. We focus on the basic inspections principle. First, conduct preloading during loading and post-unloading operations. Use proper personal protective equipment or PPE. Third, follow a checklist-based inspection system. Fourth is ensure proper lighting and ventilation. And last is record findings and inspections log. And these are the common tools that to be used. First, flashlight. Second, ultrasonic thickness gauge. Third is gas detector. And last is camera for the documentation.
Inspection of hatch covers. Hatch covers play a crucial role in protecting cargo from external elements such as seawater and rain. A. Pre-operation inspection. Before cargo operation, rubber gasket and seals inspect for cracks, wear, hardness, or missing section that could compromise waterness. Comprehension bars. Ensure they are straight, clean, and free from corrosion. Drainage channels. Check that drain channels are clear and non-return valves are functioning properly. Secure devices. Inspect cleats, weights, and locking mechanisms to ensure proper securing. Hydraulic systems. Check for leaks, proper pressure, and smooth operation. B. During operation. While opening and losing hatch covers. Ensure proper handling to avoid mechanical damage or misalignment. Avoid placing heavy loads on hatch covers. Monitor crew to follow correct procedures when operating hydraulic system. C. Testing and post-inspection after losing hatch covers. Conduct hose test or choke test to verify waterletness, check alignment and tightness of securing device, confirm no gaps or uneven comprehensions.
Inspection of cargo spaces. Inside the cargo holds. Check for structural damage, cracks, dents, buckling, corrosion and rusting. Reduce from previous cargo. Water ingress or leakage. Condition of bilge, wells, and sounding pipes. Procedure. Clean cargo hold before inspection. Visual inspect bulkheads, frames, and tank type tops. Ensure dryness and cleanliness. Report any abnormalities immediately.
Inspection of ballast tanks. It focuses on international tank condition. First, must check for corrosion and coating breakdown. cracks in weld joints, sediment or sludge accumulation, leakage between tanks, and structural deformation. Then the procedures. Ensure tank is gas-free and safe for entry. Use confined space entry procedures. Inspect internal structure thoroughly and make sure steel thickness if needed.
Inspection during loading and unloading operations. The main focus is monitoring while operations are ongoing. During loading and unloading, monitor for unusual sounds or stress. Second is check for cargo spillage or shifting. And third is observe hatch covers and seals. Fourth is watch for water ingress or leaks. And for the last, ensure proper distribution of cargo weights. After operation, we inspect all areas, record and report defects, recommend maintenance or repairs. In conclusion, proper inspection of cargo spaces, hatch covers, and ballast tanks ensures first, safety of vessels and crew. Second is protection of cargo. Third is compliance with maritime standards. And the last is prevention of costly damages.